Hello guys, Kem Cho? This is Hemant Rathod and welcome to Learning Guide, a guide to success. This question is a part of the course Selenium Java Interview Guide, and this course is available on website learning-guide.com. Now we'll move to our question. In this session, we are going to cover the questions based on your introduction. The questions can be: tell me about yourself, introduce yourself, can you please brief me about yourself? Now these type of questions can be asked. Now guys, this is not just a question, it is an opportunity given to you to sell yourself, because your introduction can decide the success of your interview. Okay, as I have taken many interviews, I can say around 60 to 70% of the candidates are not preparing this question, and due to this they fail the interview. So let me tell you how to prepare the answer for this question. To prepare the answer to this question, we need to organize our answer into three parts. Part 1 will contain your introduction, where you have to say your name, total experience, that will include manual as well as automation, domain experience and certifications done. Okay, this is your part 1. Part 2 contains your skills. You should start with your current framework, current tools and technologies, current testing approach. Okay, after that you have to say that apart from this, I also have working or hands-on experience on your previous framework if any, then your previous tools and technologies if any, and the previous testing approach. Then we come to the part 3. Here you have to describe your role and responsibility. You have to describe this in details. Now these are some of the questions that you can answer. Okay, like what is your team's first task after logging into the system for every day? How automation tasks are assigned to your team? When you start preparing test cases? When you start creating automating scripts? How do you decide the test is automable or not? How you create jobs in Bamboo for everyday smoke execution? Okay, so this is how you have to organize your answer. Okay, so for your reference, I have created an example answer for you. So let me start with the answer. Every time whenever you start your introduction, greet with good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Okay, every time you have to do this. Hi, good morning. So suppose if there are 2 or 3 members, so you should say that hi, good morning all. Am I audible? If they say yes, then you should say thank you. Okay, am I audible? Yes, thank you. Then you should start with, my name is Hemant Rathod with 5+ years of experience in software testing. I have good exposure in the domains like banking, insurance and capital markets. I have completed my certifications in ISTQB foundation level as well as advanced level. Then I have a certification of Tricentis for QTest specialist level 1, and I have also done certification on Azure DevOps AZ900. Majorly I have worked on agile projects. Okay, guys, nowadays all the organization are using agile methodology, so this word should come into your answer. Okay, this is very important. So this is the reason I have added this line. Majorly I have worked on agile projects. According to this, the interviewer will come to know that I have good experience on agile projects. Okay, now we come to part 2. More on my technical skills. Currently I am working on BDD framework with Cucumber, Java as a language binding, where TestNG and JUnit is used as a tools. We are using Extend Report for reporting, then using Azure DevOps for test and defect management, and we are currently using Git as a version controlling and Kanban board for bug tracking. This is the current part. Okay, and for previous part you should say, apart from this I also have exposure on the following tools which I have used in my previous projects, like Jenkins, Bamboo, Bugzilla, Jira, Qtest, ClearQuest, Selenium Grid and UFT. Okay, now we move to part 3. My roles and responsibilities in my current project are: I am a test lead in our project. We have a team of 4 where our day starts from doing a smoke test and prepare a report. Our team is a support team whose task is to take all the ready projects which are live and provide maintenance to all projects. We arrange KT call for all the new projects coming to us. We have a separate manual team that makes the test case ready. Here my task is to verify those test cases with user stories provided and tag it as automable or non-automable. So non-automable are those test cases which requires manual intervention, or you can say which requires the analysis of any report, or which requires analysis on graph or some viewable thing or captcha like that. So those are non-automable. So we can create test case on automable only. If the test case is automable, then my team will start preparing the script. Okay, if the test case is automable, then my team will start preparing the script. Then we categorize the tag name according to the functionality like regression, functional, integration, smoke, sanity, etc. Once the code is ready, we then push the code into our automation branch, and from there we create a PR. PR means pull request, and once the PR is approved, the code is then pushed to the master branch. At the end of the day, we create a job that contains a regression suite that will execute at night and will provide us the result in the morning. Okay, so this is how you have to introduce yourself in an organized way. This is the total organized way where your interviewer will come to know your plus points and negative points. So your plus point is you have this much of experience, you have this domain knowledge, you are a certified tester, you have completed 3 to 4 certifications, then you are currently having knowledge on BD framework, Cucumber, Java, TestNG, JUnit, Extend Report, Azure DevOps, Git, Kanban, and apart from that you are also having knowledge on Jenkins, Bamboo, Bugzilla, Jira, Qtest, ClearQuest, Selenium, Grid, and UFT. So you are a perfect candidate for me. Okay, and your day-to-day task you have also described in a very proper manner. Okay, so from this interviewer come to know that you are actually working on a project and this is not a fake experience. Okay, and this will make your answer more elaborative, and more success will come to you once you organize your answer like this. Okay, so this is your answer and you have to organize your answer according to the points given here. Okay, so you have to organize your answer into 3 parts as per these given points. So once your answer is organized, then you will be able to crack any interview in future. Okay, so around 60 to 70% of the candidates are not organizing their answer like this, and they fail to crack the interview because they fail to sell themselves. They fail to say all the keywords that are required. Okay, so these are the keywords that are required, and this should be there in your resume also, and while you are speaking or while you are telling about yourself also, all these keywords should come. Okay, you can either by heart this particular about yourself. So this is all about this question. If you have any doubts in this part, you can directly comment me in this part, post a comment. Okay, you can directly comment me, I will definitely reply to you. With this I would like to finish this answer, and I would like to wish you all the best for your interview. Thank you.